Welcome to the channel, everyone. First of all, I apologize for not posting last week's trading plan. I was extremely busy. I've decided to streamline the number of trading pairs I analyze and share to ensure more focused and thorough insights. Moving forward, I'll be restricting my analysis to 8 key tradable pairs, the big 3 from the dollar index, fiber that is ETHUSD, cable that is GBPUSD, and ninja that is USD/JPY, as well as precious metals that are gold and silver, crude oil, and major cryptocurrencies that are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Before we move to the trading plan for the upcoming week, I would like to share the performance review of last week's trading plan that I unfortunately couldn't share as the fundamental analysis was not completed, though trading levels were worked out. Despite getting stopped out in fiber, ninja and cryptos, I nailed the big wins in shorts in cable, gold and silver as the shorts smashed past all given targets with stop remained intact. Likewise, crude oil was also big win despite a stop kiss in first attempt. Last week saw no significant economic data releases, but the market continued to feel the after effects of Friday's NFP release. Recession fears lingered until the release of the ISM Services Index, which temporarily eased those concerns and allowed U.S. equities to begin recovering. Additionally, there was heightened anticipation of retaliation from Iran following the assassination of Ismail Haniyeh within Iran by Israel. However, no significant response was observed from Iran or its proxies in the Red Sea region. The U.S. presidential campaign will remain a central focus in global politics as we are now only 3 months away from the real action. With Biden's withdrawal, the race for the Oval Office is finally balanced. Any swing in the possibility of Trump winning over Harris, or vice versa, will likely cause fluctuations in the dollar and influence market movements accordingly. Tensions in the Middle East and the Red Sea area will also keep traders and investors on high alert, ready to adjust their positions. On the economic front, Britain's claimant count, inflation, and retail sales data will impact both the cable and the dollar index. In the US, consumer and wholesale inflation figures will be crucial for determining the Fed's rate cut probabilities, along with retail sales. Any surprise in the inflation data could significantly reduce the likelihood of aggressive rate cuts by the Fed, thereby supporting a resurgence in the dollar. This would weigh heavily on rival pairs, including gold and silver. Despite recession fears, crude oil prices remain stable due to OPEC and OPEC Plus production cuts, which are likely to keep inflation sticky. I anticipate a surprise in the inflation numbers and am bullish on the dollar. I also see a potential bull trap in gold prices, which may face aggressive selling, leading to a correction of 2,000 pips or even deeper within the next month or so. While bond yields are bearish, they are likely to recover as the market adjusts its expectations for the Fed's rate cut trajectory and incoming economic data. Similarly, the dollar index is attempting to recover. It may show some initial bearish pressure but is expected to bounce back later. Fiber, after facing aggressive selling following last week's highs, fiber looks good for short positions or selling on strength. Cable, with a heavy data week ahead, cable is likely to be volatile. It could be a good opportunity for a short position first, followed by a long position. Ninja, the ninja is recovering from the Bank of Japan's recent actions and is expected to continue this recovery as it retests the long-term trendline, now resistance, around 148 to 149. Gold poised to repeat history by correcting 12 to 15% from the top of 2,483. The price action suggests a hanging man pattern with the highest volumes. Any further bullish attempts are likely to face aggressive selling from bears. I anticipate a significant correction, potentially a drop of 2,000 pips or more, despite a dovish Fed ahead. Continue to consider selling, especially if there's a stop hunt. Silver is likely to follow suit with gold. Crude oil is showing resilience and is holding up well against recession and growth fears. It should be a buy on dips. Bitcoin and Ethereum, both are likely to trade within a range until the US elections as the pro and anti-crypto narratives influence market sentiment among both bulls and bears. Thanks for watching, and I hope you follow my trading plan and earn handsome profits. If so, do not keep it to yourself and like, subscribe and share for the greater benefit of trading community at large.